Imagine the dead of night, engines cut, and a faint whooshing in the darkness. That's when the Nazis started to whisper about witches in the sky. In World War II, the Soviet Union unleashed a force the Nazis had never seen before, an all-female bombing regiment known as the Night Witches. Their real name was the 588th Night Bomber Regiment, but to the Germans, they were Nachthexen, because their stealthy attacks seemed like black magic. Most of these women were barely out of their teens, but they took to the skies in Plywood and Canvas biplanes. Planes so fragile, they barely seemed fit to fly, let alone go to war. These were Polikarpov Po-2s, slow, outdated, open cockpit relics. But the Night Witches turned these weaknesses into strengths. They flew low, dodged anti-aircraft fire, and cut their engines before gliding silently over targets. So the only warning was the wind through their wings. German soldiers said it sounded like broomsticks in the dark, hence the name, the Night Witches. To make things even more daring, these women flew entirely at night, with no parachutes and only the moonlight to guide them. Enemy searchlights swept the sky, but the Night Witches split up, flying in groups, drawing fire while one pilot slipped in to drop her bombs. They flew up to 8 missions a night, rain or frost, sometimes with bullets shredding their fragile aircraft. They didn't have radios or fancy equipment. Sometimes they'd mark bombing targets with pencils on paper maps, balancing them on their knees as wind howled around them. Their uniforms, hand-me-downs from male soldiers, their boots, way too big. But their courage was enormous. In total, the Night Witches flew over 30,000 missions, sometimes falling asleep in the cockpit from exhaustion, only to wake just in time for the attack. The regiment produced some of the most decorated female pilots in Soviet history, including Nadezhda Popova and Marina Raskova, known as the Soviet Amelia Earhart. Despite their heroics, if the Germans shot down a Night Witch, they were promised Iron Crosses. You had to be a brave or lucky Nazi to ever claim that reward. But it wasn't just bombs they dropped. The Night Witches shattered the idea that only men belonged in combat. Their legend terrified the Nazis and inspired women everywhere. By the end of the war, the Nazis claimed they had been fighting an entire division. In reality, there were never more than 40 planes at a time. The Night Witches remain the most highly decorated female unit of World War II, an elite sisterhood who turned simple biplanes into instruments of fear. From the frigid steppe to enemy territory, the Night Witches proved that courage makes its own wings. The next time you hear the wind at night, imagine those faint engines, and remember the women who ruled the skies, broomsticks and all. Want more legends like this? You know what to do. Follow for the next forgotten story in the shadows of history.